In this video, we have been given two circles inside a rectangle ABCD. Then we have to find angle PMQ. So ABCD, it is a rectangle. So this angle, it will be 90 degrees, and now at point M, if we make tangent on both the circle and extend DA, suppose this point is N, then this angle, it will be 90 degrees, and in any circle from any point P, if we make two tangent on the circle, suppose this point is A and this point is B, then PA, it will be equal to PB. So on the smaller circle from point N, NP is a tangent and NM is a tangent. So NP, it will be equal to NM, and now we have NP is equal to NM. So in triangle NPM, it is NPM, we have NP is equal to NM. That means these two angles, they will be equal. Suppose alpha, so this angle, it will be 180 degrees minus alpha, that will be 180 degrees minus 2 alpha. So if this angle is alpha, then this angle, it will be alpha, and this angle, it will be 180 degrees minus 2 alpha, and now suppose this point is S, then in triangle NAS, it is NAS, this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 180 degrees minus 2 alpha. So this angle, it will be 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 180 degrees minus 2 alpha, and it is 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 180 degrees plus 2 alpha, and 180 degrees will get cancelled. So it is 2 alpha minus 90 degrees. This angle, it will be 2 alpha minus 90 degrees, and now NM and AQ is intersecting at S. So angle ASN, it will be equal to angle QSM, that will be opposite angles, and this angle is 2 alpha minus 90 degrees. So this angle, it will be also 2 alpha minus 90 degrees. This angle, it will be 2 alpha minus 90 degrees, and now on the bigger circle, from point S, SQ is a tangent, and SM is a tangent. So SQ, it will be equal to SM. SQ, it will be equal to SM, and now in triangle SQM, it is SQM, we have SQ is equal to SM. That means these two angles, they will be equal. Suppose theta, and this angle is 2 alpha minus 90 degrees. So 2 alpha minus 90 degrees plus theta, it will be 180 degrees, and 2 alpha plus theta, it will be 180 degrees plus 90 degrees, and 2 alpha plus 2 theta, it is 270 degrees, and it is 2 times alpha plus theta is equal to 270 degrees. So alpha plus theta, it will be 270 degrees over 2, that will be 135 degrees. So theta, it will be 135 degrees minus alpha. So this angle, it is 135 degrees minus alpha, and now angle PMQ, it will be equal to angle PMN plus angle NMQ, and angle PMN is alpha plus angle NMQ is 135 degrees minus alpha. It is 135 degrees minus alpha, and alpha will get cancelled. So it is 135 degrees. It is 135 degrees.